Hi everyone, welcome back to another mukbang. My name is Trinh. If you're new, please like and subscribe. And if you're not new, hi, how are you? And today I am doing a request from A Bit of Life. Go check him out. He left a comment in my last video about can I do a review on the Cheetos sandwich from KFC. And I was like, I didn't even know they had that. But yeah, duh, of course I can. And you should really check him out. He has a lot of videos of home cooking, very delicious recipes, actually easy also. Go check him out, tell him Trinh sent you, and let's just get into it. Also, if you ever have a request for me to review something and there's something that I missed and I don't know that's out, please let me know. So I went to, whoa, the bag, she's leaking. I went to KFC and apparently, let's get all these napkins out. I got the Cheetos Lovers Meal, which was $10.99. So, okay, so it comes with mac and cheese. I don't know if that's like a regular mac and cheese or a Cheeto mac and cheese. Coleslaw. Okay, I love me their coleslaw. Oh my god, look how cute. Ah! Whoops. Oh my goodness. Well, I was gonna say, look how cute their box is. Oh. Okay, so this is the, oh, wow. They like really put the sauce on here because it's like all on the bottom of the, okay, so this is the Cheeto burger, the Cheeto chicken burger. Oh, that's probably not going to be going there because you can't see my face. Actually, let's put him over there. Look at the bottom of this. Whoa. Whoa, look at my hands. Ah, okay. And it came with that. Oh my god, this whole thing is leaking. Holy crap, what's in here? Okay, all right. So it came with some Cheeto. Oh, this is just gonna, oh my god. Okay, I'm just gonna put this out like this. Cheeto popcorn chicken. I guess it's just like a liquid sauce that they put on because it's like dripping everywhere. Okay, I'm just gonna have that much on there because your girl is just getting messy. Look at my hands. No wonder they gave you a bunch of napkins. Okay. And some potato wedges. Okay, so we got some. Oh my god. This is like the mess. Oh my god. Whoa. Hopefully all this mess is worth it because, so we got their Cheeto chicken sandwich, potato wedges, Cheeto popcorn chicken, coleslaw, and some mac and cheese. So, okay. Well, I love their coleslaw. They didn't give me a spoon. Oh, they did. They gave me a spork, which is covered in dust or Cheeto juice. My god. Okay. All right, let's get into this coleslaw. I already know I like their coleslaw. So I'm sure this is not Cheeto coleslaw. I hope not. Because, yum. I like it because it's sweet. Oh. I like to pair it with their potato wedge because their potato wedge is like salty, flavorful with the cold and sweet. And the coleslaw is perfect. Coleslaw, definitely a winner. Oh, I forgot to show you. I got a soda. I asked for Mountain Dew this time, but she said they didn't have the regular Mountain Dew, just the peach Mountain Dew, which is orange. Everything is orange, which is my favorite color, so I guess I don't mind, but I've never had the peach Mountain Dew. Even the straw is orange. All right. Have a first sip, guys. It's too far. I don't want. I'm gonna move this. Oh. Okay, I like peach stuff, and that's really good. Okay, let's. You know what? Let me try one of these popcorn chickens. So it's basically their popcorn chicken, just I guess drenched in the Cheeto juice. Wait a minute. Move it closer. That legit tastes like cheese Cheetos. That's weird, but good. All right. I think this is just regular mac and cheese. I don't think it's Cheeto mac and cheese, so. Okay, first bite for you guys, always. Their mac and cheese is always so bomb. Okay. The moment you guys have been waiting for. Oh my god. So look at this monster right here. It's a chicken, a fried chicken piece with Cheetos in between buns with their Cheeto juice. Like, look at the bottom of this. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. I don't even know. Okay. You guys ready? Oh my god. Oh, Cheeto. Ah! Okay. Chicken is obviously super crispy. They added Cheetos under it. I think it needs some type of sauce because to me it's a little dry because you have the Cheetos that are dry, the bun's dry. So we need some sauce. So we're gonna put some mac and cheese on there. Okay. Okay, so this is the mac and cheese bite, y'all. Chicken is crispy, but the chicken is kind of dry. Yep. Okay. Oh. Yum. Pretty tasty sandwich. Nothing really like crazy about it. They added the Cheetos on the bottom, which got kind of soggy, like. But if I was to tell you to try anything off the Cheeto menu, the popcorn chicken's actually really good. Now, if they were to do this with like hot Cheetos, it'd be fire. I don't even know what I want next. I'm gonna have more of these. Like this Cheeto dust they have on it. I don't know. Dude, my hands It's so orange. My God. I'm shook. That's a really good peach soda from Mountain Dew. I think I'm gonna have another bite of this. Oh my God, it's falling apart. This was interesting. Okay. Not so dry when you get like towards the middle of the fried chicken patty. Overall, everything was pretty tasty. I mean, everything is pretty normal besides the popcorn chicken and the sandwich, but it's worth giving it a try. It was $11 for everything, which is kind of pricey to me, but then again, whatever. The burger is actually, the sandwich is big, so it's huge. So, bye guys. I think that's it for today's video. I'm going to put the rest of it away for later. Hope you like this review. Check out A Bit of Life. Love you guys. Please like, subscribe, blah, blah, blah. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.